We are WorldSkills. We're a global skills community. We are young people, students, educators, experts, leaders, partners, and industry.
We know the value that skills bring.
That skills has the power to improve our lives.
Sharing what you do and what you love with somebody else brings joy to people.
Every skill has its own potential.
There are no limits.
And our mission is to share that with the world.
I use my skills to design innovative solutions,
To build a stronger awareness.
To help people live a happier and healthier life.
I want to make the world a better place.
We see what we have to do
And then we get to work.
together.
We raise the bar by promoting excellence.
We show that equitable access to skills is what we need to solve the most pressing challenges of our time.
we begin by improving our own skills.
WorldSkills pushed me out of my comfort zone.
It enabled me to believe in myself.
It was to know myself better.
To be able to work in high-pressure environments.
I become more organized, doing my work, doing my job.
And through all that, we earn our name. We are WorldSkills.
We are WorldSkills.
We are WorldSkills.
We are WorldSkills.
Come grow with us.
Excel with us.
Learn with us.
Have fun with us.
Succeed with us.
Support a global movement.
That can change your world.